Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Monopoly Go. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Monopoly Go application. Here, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings option. As you can see here, the third option is the language option. Now click on the word English. And here you'll be able to see a list of languages that you'll be able to change into. Select the one you prefer. Here I'm gonna click on Espanol, which is Spanish language. And if you're sure, click on the change option. And that is how you can change language in Monopoly Go. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.